Hello my friends, Charlie here from GT Creations, and we're going over my 2013 Subaru BRZ. Unfortunately, the car is no longer with us anymore, so yeah, this is just some throwback footage of my very first track build, GT inspired track build from Super GT, the racing series in Japan. So let's start off with the exterior body. When I first bought the car, it had some type of wrap on it. It was or a plasti dip, some really strange stuff. I have no idea what it is, but I tore that off pretty quick. Yeah, and if any of you guys know what it is, because it's definitely rubber and it does not feel like a vinyl wrap. Some people in the comments earlier this week said it was this, and then it was that, and then it was that. So if anyone knows for sure, yeah, let me know. Shoot it in the comments. So yeah, all of us will finally know what it is. Then after that, I moved right on to the engine. Wanted to dress that up and make it look shiny, so I spray painted it with a lot of Rust-Oleum chrome paint, and it looked like this before. Some blue plastic covers, and looked horrible. Then after spray painting it and using a clear coat, high heat clear coat on it, which worked beautifully, and adding some rubber garments and some high heat gold paint, it looked like this, and like the GT300 car inspired. Yeah, and so after dressing the engine up, making it look nice and pretty, I went on to the interior. Strip that all out. That was fairly easy. That did not take long at all. Just pulling those seats out and the carpet and stuff. Pretty dirty and disgusting. But I took out, yeah, about that much. And then after that, I washed it out with some soapy water, made sure it was dried real good, and then I used the same paint that I used on the engine, which is just some chrome Rust-Oleum, and I spray painted the interior to look just like the GT300 Super GT car, because that car also has its silver inside. After I was all done painting that, yeah, see it, silver inside. That's the car right there. Moved on to the seats. I used Recaro Hans XL seat, which is my favorite seat. It just holds you in real good. Comfortable. I've sat in a few seats. I used OMP and all that, but this seat, oh my god, great seat. There it is there, yeah. Matched it up with some Takata seat straps. And yeah, then after this, actually, I'm going to go back to some older footage that I recorded for the person who bought the car. In-brake, like the GT300 car, located. So this is a replica, so that's been relocated down here instead of right next to the seat. The IRP short throw shifter, so as the reverse lockout. It's kind of like a bolt action rifle. Well, that was fun. And guys, if you have any questions about any of these parts that I did, you know, the install and or this or that, or whatever questions you might have, please just put it in the comments, and I'll make another video or just get back to you with those answers as quick as possible. Now on to the next part I did. Fuel on, ignition on, power on. So for the center switch panel. All I did was take out the radio, measured the opening, bought a black plastic box from Amazon and a sheet of carbon fiber. Cut the sheet of carbon fiber and just stuck it together with 4 screws. LSC, which is hold, on, off, traction control, on, off, fuel, turn the fuel off, car cuts out in a minute when it runs out of fuel. Oh, there it goes. Oh, and it's dying, Oh, fuel back on. Ooh, that was close. And then car off. Oh. Windows. Windows are hooked up to these little switches. So I couldn't do it with the new door cards. Okay, and on to my favorite part of the build, the steering wheel. GT300 steering wheel, just like the replica I tried to make it look like. It came pretty close, I think. I think it did an alright job. So I just bought the steering wheel, Sparkle steering wheel. Yep, there it is. Just basic stock. I bought it from T-Dot Performance. Love that place. Awesome prices. No, I'm not sponsored. Anyway, then after that, I bought this OBD2 scanner. Well, it's not just a scanner. It's a multifunction unit from AO Tool. AUTOOL. You can get it on AliExpress. You can get it pretty much anywhere. It just plugs right into your OBD2. And for the center part, I just folded a piece of paper in half and then put it in the steering wheel, traced around the inside of the paper, opened it up, cut it out, laid it on a piece of carbon fiber sheet, and just cut out all around it. Traced it and cut out all around it. And for all the buttons and switches, I just sourced them out also on AliExpress. The colored buttons I believe are called mushroom buttons. And yeah, I just took a drill, cut the hole, and then just put the button right in there. And for all the electronics, all in this, I just took 2 little wires from each switch and just tied them into the main power of pretty much everything, like the signal lights and the fuel pump and the ignition, and that's all I did, or even the doors. It's all really simple to do, actually. You just need a test light and find the wire that has the main power to it. Pretty simple. And for the last thing I did, for now anyway, for this video, is the door skins, door cards. And I'll just refer back to the older video of that that I posted in a short, I believe a few days ago. So I'll just replay that. Fast door cards. First thing you're going to need is, if you don't have a large carbon fiber sheet, is a strong, flat, thin piece of board. And then you're going to take your door skin, lay it down on the board, grab a marker, and you're going to trace all around your door skin. And then you're going to pick up your door skin, lay it on its top, and trace around the top of it. And don't forget to cut out the little window part if needed. And don't forget the triangle for the back of the door and the door handle. Don't forget that. And once they're all cut out, you can now carbon fiber wrap the pieces. Here's some nice cheap stuff. After that, you're going to need screws and 90-degree elbows and self-tapping screws and a rubber garment for your wire loom and wire loom for the wires that come out of your door card, and also a keychain loop for your door handle would be great. And those screws will be going right there with the 90 degrees on the inside. Very simple. and a few self-tapping screws to mount the door nice and solid. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode where I'll be finishing off the assembly of the hood to my 3D printed GT300 widebody for my new Subaru BRZ build. Front bumper's assembly is already done. Also, guys, this channel is small time, just getting started. It's just me in the garage building custom GT race cars. So if you're into that kind of stuff, and if it interests you, make sure to like and comment and subscribe and follow along for my step-by-step build creations. Oh, and one more thing. This new BRZ build, it's getting a V8 engine.